Some flowers. Whoa, where do you think am I? Where do you think I am? See how beautiful these flowers are. Okay, so ito lang naman ang ano to? Tingnan nyo, napakaganda. Ito yung NU. National University. Yes, that's correct. Ayan. Ayan. NU. So, this is the National University of Science and Technology. Most especially the College of Medicine and Health Sciences. So, guys, ito yung student hub nila ng National University. There's a sports area there. Ito yun. Yan. This is the whole of the student hub. Yan. So, at the right side is the hostel for medical students. For female medical students, yeah, so meron silang dorm, which is free. Medical education here is free for scholars, and they also pay if you're not a scholar. As one Dr. Mariam, student, told me. And then, meron din daw mga private accommodations. So, their parents get to pay for them, like I did. Like how my father paid for my tuition and everything. So my dad sent me to medical college on his own, of course. He did it. My dad. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Of course, my mom. Not only my dad. Let's see what's inside. Kailangan bang i-ano muna natin. Kita natin yung mga mukha natin. Ayan. Kasi summer na ngayon. So, tayo bilad sa araw. So, parang ganito yung mga pag-aamok natin. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan. Okay. So, huwag niyo akong pansinin. Ayan. So, ito naman yung nila, sa likod. Ito yung medical school nila. It's an old building here, of course. It's because it's been there for a long time. At tayo naman, dito tayo, again, sa kanilang modern university student hub. Okay? So, itong hub na to is actually for their, ito sa kanilang recreation and study. Okay, yan yung mga students. Siyempre, sa likod lang. Hindi sila pwedeng i-focus. Ayan. Ano yun? Sandali lang. Okay. So, papasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. So, dito, ito yung, dito ka magre-relax. Gusto mo mag-review sa yung exams. Ayan. Ayan. Tsaka pwede ka rin dito. Okay. So, may ibibigay lang ako sa kakat ko to kasi magpa-part 2 tayo.